Tulo ka rason nga no dapat na mutigom og kwarta. Number 1 is emergency. In kaso lang na mahitabo sa tuwa na dili na to gusto, at least na atay kwarta na napundo para magamit nato for emergencies. Number 2 is investment. Mao ni siya ang kwarta nagatrabaho sa tuwa instead of us working for money. And if you're going to invest for the long term, mas dako jud ang imong odds of winning in the market. Number 3 is desires, mga luho nato. Kung naa kay gusto pagtiguman ng mga gamit or experiences, this is the fund that you're going to use to spend dito para dili ka mag-over budget. Dali lang siya sabton no, pero lisod siya himuon. That is why on February 13 at 8 p.m. mag-conduct mi og libre na webinar. Ang topic nato is Build Your Bank. Practical steps to increase your net worth. Naapod mi special announcement na i-share during the webinar. That is why ibutang na mo ang details of the webinar and registration link in the comment section and bio. See you there.